You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is a greater than -6. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 10 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the a into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Remove the ones. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is a greater than -6.